What is up, guys? Today we're going to start the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus again. So, you guys saw from earlier, I got famous. My mom and dad looked at it and he said, "Oh wow, you're getting famous because of that first Roomba video." I'm thanks for you guys. Thank you for doing this to me. So, I'm going to do the Roomba video again just for you guys, because you're into it. So we have some beads. I want to see how well can he suck up all the beads. And here, just dirt. Hold on, let me add these in the test. I want to see how good he is. I'm not trying to waste your time, but where's the broom? Oh, there it is. I need you. The reason why am I doing this is because I want the Roomba here. There. That's good. Alright, we're gonna send you. Alright, you know what? Let's do the Echo Dot because I never did it for you guys. So, Alexa, tell ISU Roomba to vacuum.
Okay, starting to vacuum.
Wow, first try. Yeah, sometimes it always runs. Get all the dust bunnies. Oh yeah, I have to add some light. I would be sure that it will do dirt detect. Let me just spread this real quick. I mean, when I did beads before, it did real good, and it did dirt detect. So I'm gonna show you what the dirt detect will look like. Oh yeah, so sometimes this thing always like bumps so hard. I just want it to bump real gently. See, it just bumps real hard. I don't really like that. I just want it to be gently because it's kind of. Oh, you see that? I love that one. I mean, that's not kind of bad. But the reason why is because it scratches. That's why I don't want it to. And Wyatt, if you're watching this, I also love robot vacuums too. Just saying. Now it's just gonna go under the bed or not. Oh yes it is. It's going to do the line. Row by row. See, this is why I like the spinning brushes, because it's spinning and grabbing all the dirt. But if I do something like this, the thing is not moving. I don't know if you guys saw that, but you see it's not moving. And now it's just, there's no way he's going back to his base. No, he's not. This thing cleans your floor real well. Alright, let's run. Buddy, come on. Okay, go slow. But if you take it to the bin, it will stop and sense. I think this thing is good for you, right? Okay, let me do this for now. So far, so good. I have a computer too. I used to put my Alexa on my desk. So here's my Alexa. He knows that I'm recording. So I'm just gonna put this on mic because I'm gonna say his name. But I'm gonna turn it off just for help. Okay, I just saw that thing just turned off. That was weird. Oh, sorry. I have to hold the camera real good. Ow! Yo, chill. Okay, I noticed that it did that. That was so weird. There was no barrier over there. I don't have a barrier. It didn't even came with me. Sadly. Look how gentle. Okay, that was a very gentle bump. Oh yeah, that was a very gentle bump. When I look, just saying, this is kind of quiet. I'm not kidding. If you like put in hard floors, it get loud, but it's kind of quiet to me when it's loud. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting i7 Plus for years. I'm gonna put it like right here because it's like my first favorite. This one is my second. Yuffie's my third. I mean, I'm going to get another Yuffie, but it's also at my. It's gonna be my fourth place because it never cleans real well. Only if I do max power, it'll do really good. But if I do max, the battery will like get shorter and then just run out fast. Well, this one isn't max. I think the battery will run out like real fast. That's what I saw. Yeah, that was weird. I've never seen that. Like, that's so weird. Oh, he's coming. I always want a dirt detector for a long time. That's normal. Let me just think it. It doesn't mean that it's checking its battery. Oh gosh, I see you. Yo guys, I just saw a brush hole. Oh, that's how it cleans really well. This one has two, I think you guys already know, this one has two multi-brushes. Alright, here comes, she's gonna go to the hard floor soon. Yeah, that was weird. If you want to get the Echo Dot Fish, you could. This one cleans your home real good. I'm not trying to trick you or nothing, but this one is kind of good at cleaning my home. But the dreams are kind of in the top because they're really good because they clean really good. Oh no! Oh, he didn't pick it up. Yeah, I saw more dirt, so that's why. Alright, now you can see your dirt here, bro. Now he's just going here. No. This is not a mopping robot, but there's a vacuum cleaner name. Yeah, you see? It picked up the leads, that's surprising. You see, okay, now I'm gonna show you. Oh, dude, I don't know if you guys saw it, but. Oh, never mind. Can it suck it up in the hard quarters? Let's see. Nope. Bro, it's still there. Maybe I'll get it with the edge. Well, I'll do it in here. This one is blazing. Oh, so you don't want to clean my sister's room? Oh, he just picked up the. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is what Ori's doing now. Dude, you're moving your base, too. I want to get the Roomba i7 Plus for Christmas. That means I'm gonna get it when I'm 11, I guess. Cause I saw dirt there. You don't want it? Oh, come on, dude. Bruh. I don't know if you guys saw it. It's hard to see. I got some more. Hope we can pick that up. Oh wait, now he's. Oh gosh, bro. Oh, buddy, what's up? What's up? Yeah, you're good. Now you can go now. Oh, guys, I'm gonna end the video, so I'll tell you when it's done. So, bye.